Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're going to explore how to create and utilize your MEXC account, a powerful platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a newcomer to the crypto world, having a MEXC account can open up a myriad of opportunities for you. Creating an account on MEXC is incredibly user-friendly. Simply visit their website and look for the sign-up option. Fill in your details, verify your email, and you're all set. But wait, before you complete your registration, make sure to use our special referral code 12K4M5. By doing so, you'll unlock exclusive benefits that will enhance your trading experience right from the start. Having a MEXC account gives you access to a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs. This means that you can diversify your investments and take advantage of various market movements. Additionally, MEXC provides advanced trading features, robust security measures, and a responsive customer support team, ensuring a seamless trading experience. When you use the referral code 12K4M5, you not only secure benefits for yourself, but you're also supporting our channel, Crypto Horizon. We're committed to bringing you the best insights and tips related to the cryptocurrency world. Your support allows us to continue providing valuable content. Additionally, as a MEXC user, you can enjoy reduced trading fees and participate in exclusive promotions that can significantly boost your trading profits. Imagine being able to trade without worrying about high fees eating away at your profits. That's the advantage of using the referral code provided. So, if you're ready to get started on your MEXC journey, remember to sign up using our referral code 12K4M5. Join the future of finance with confidence. Thank you for watching this video on Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more crypto insights. Happy trading!